Hey guys, I'm just out here checking things out with my night vision. Thought I'd share some of the things that I come across and see in the skies above when you look through night vision, and how clear and how beautiful it is, how many stars you can actually see. So let's check out some wild orbs that I've been seeing floating around in the sky above. All right, let's get to it. We got this thing cruising by. No blinking lights.
No plane sound.
No airplane sound. Completely silent. Oh shit, I zoomed in too much. There we go. It's just drifting along. And it's low. It's not up there. It's really, really low. And you can see right below it, that's an aircraft. See the blinking light? The one above it is not. I don't know what the fuck that is. It's an amberish color, but it's solid. It's not a blinking light. Like I said, like the aircraft below it. Look at that. Passing each other by. They're about the same altitude. Yeah, they're about the same altitude. There it goes. It's drifting along. Ooh, that was neat. So yeah, aircraft. Don't know what the fuck that is. Let's see what else we can see. Yeah, there's another one. No blinky lights. Like, where'd it go? There's a plane around here somewhere. Oh, there we go. Blinking lights. Night vision's pretty fucking cool. You definitely see a lot more shit than what you would with the naked eye. Without night vision, this is what you'd be seeing. Right? So you can definitely see the difference between naked eye and night vision. Because it doesn't look any different from my eyes right now when I'm looking out across my yard. Matter of fact, without the night vision, if I looked up with my naked eye, I can only see the airplanes blinking and a few choice stars, of course, that everybody sees, but you do not get to see all of these stars with the naked eye that you can through night vision. And this is a Gen 3 Plus, so pretty cool. No more of those lights over my tree line either. Just airplanes. You see the airplane. Some people would say that the orbs that are floating by are satellites. Well, I would have to say that I don't think those are satellites. And the reason is because you figure a satellite is probably about the average size of a car. Satellites, they're floating around up there supposedly at around 400 miles above the ground. Can you see a car from 400 miles away with the naked eye? No, you can't. So why would you say it's a satellite? Why would anybody say that? Oh, it's a satellite. Oh, something the size of a car you could see with your eyes from 400 miles away. Okay, yeah, sure. Well, maybe. It might be, but who knows? Pretty cool. And when you look up at the sky, you can only see there's a star. There's a star. You can only see the choice stars. There's a star. Even though it's pulsing, that's not an airplane. That's a star. It's weird. So like I was saying, that one is not an airplane. That is a star. It is stationary. Let's zoom in on it and see what this sucker looks like and why it's doing what it's doing. And I'm doing this again without night vision, so I'm going to go to max zoom 12 times. I'm trying to hold it steady. That's a star. It's weird that it's doing that, huh? Through the night vision, it just looks like a twinkling stationary star. So yeah, as you can see, that's a stationary star. Not moving. See, it's a horizon in there. I don't know why it pulses that way. It actually changes a few different colors. Let's zoom in on it. See the night vision. I don't think my night vision likes to be zoomed in on. It's weird. Yeah, it's not gonna let me zoom in on it like I did with the camera without the night vision. Yeah. Pretty cool things. Pretty cool things in the sky, with and without night vision. So right here, you can see is the Milky Way galaxy. I'm following up along it right here. And it goes up this way and down that way. It's beautiful. To the trees. Gorgeous. It's not easy holding my phone against the night vision eye cup to see through the night vision with. Yeah, you never know what you're going to see when you look up at the stars with these things. Yeah, pretty darn cool.